So which do you prefer? A close-up lens or a cinematic lens? Let's discuss it. Alrighty, so check this out. We've got two lenses that we're going to feature today for the Ace Pro 2. This is going to be the macro lens or the close-up lens, as well as the anamorphic lens that I just got. I am currently right now using the close-up lens. Just taking a walk through the yard right now. I'm going to walk out to the garden and kind of give you an idea of what the close-up lens is capable of. And then we're going to throw on the anamorphic lens so you can see how it changes the whole view. This is more of your cinematic. So currently right now, as you can see, my arm is bent. I can see myself really good in this. The traffic going by, just having fun. You can still see everything in the background, but I don't have to be that like 1 to 2 feet away to get a good focus on me. So that's the benefit of the close-up lens. Now I'm going to flip the camera view around so you can actually see how the close-up lens works on like my garden out here. So let me show you that real quick. So we've changed the lens around. We've actually adjusted the lens to where it's going to be able to view in on this, where I can get up really close to it, like within. That right there is about 1 inch away from that leaf. So you can do really good pans across stuff. You can come up and you can actually see everything. I like the fact that this actually works great. Still keeping everything in focus, but you can get down there and examine up close, whereas your standard action cameras like the DJIs and stuff like that lose focus at this close of range. Now we simply adjust the lens to where there's 2 settings on the lens. It's got a little picture of like a flower and a picture of a person. You put it in the person mode. Now you're in this mode right here. It's going to allow you to get up pretty close in order to get a good close-up shot. Whereas again, other action cameras aren't going to let you get this close. I am probably right now about 6 inches from my face. I know it's probably annoying, but here we are and it works. So let's put on the anamorphic lens and let's see the difference. Alrighty, so here we are. This is the anamorphic lens. As you're going to see, we've got this nice border that runs all the way around the screen now. Gives you more of that widescreen look, that anamorphic cinematic look. Shooting with this right here would be really good if you're wanting to get some larger areas, like shooting scenery, buildings and stuff like that, or if you're going to be far enough away from the camera that it actually looks really good. We can even go in and change one of like the different settings to give it more of a dramatic like color grading and everything, especially with the new Leica color grades that they have built into the Ace Pro 2. So let's check that out real quick. Now, this definitely gives us more of a cinematic feel. This is your Leica black and white. Now obviously, I'm not in a very cinematic location. I am walking around the property, checking chickens and garden and stuff like that. But still, this gives you this really interesting point of view and perspective. Gives you a nice dramatic look. And now we've changed the profile to be more of a film look that you're going to find in the Leica profiles. And if you have the Explorer grip, as I do, it's a simple twist of the little button if that's what you have it programmed to do. And you're going to get the different color profiles to use with your cinematic lenses. So I am digging this one. So let's walk back across the yard. Let's talk a little bit more about the cinematic lens. All right, so me personally, the cinematic lens is probably not going to be one that I use all the time. This is probably going to be one for like if I go on vacation, you know, like maybe going to a big city, lots of lights, trying to use it more in like the darker settings and the darker modes. That way I can get a lot of the street lights, the business lights. Or if I'm going to go on a cruise, which I'm supposed to be having one of those coming up probably mid-year, August or somewhere around there. And I would probably use it on a cruise ship to catch a nice pan coming up onto the coast of wherever the port is or something. That's where I think the cinematic lens on the Ace Pro 2 is going to really shine. Right here, walking around, probably not. However, it is still a really nice lens to have in your arsenal. We're going to jump back over to the close-up lens because right now the close-up lens is really probably one of my favorite ones. I have noticed that I'm going to be able to keep this on under most situations. It's not one of those lenses that I'm going to have to change out every time or have to put the standard lens back on. I can actually step far away from this and it still looks good. For example, it still looks good, even with me standing way over here. So I guess at this point, the real question is, which lens do you prefer? Would you prefer more of the cinematic look, having the black bars across the top? Or do you like more of the close-up look, where you can actually get a little closer and more personal with the camera? Versus, like I said, your other action cameras that are on the market, the DJIs, the GoPros, and stuff like that. They tend to lose focus once you pass that certain, like 1 foot depth. Doesn't do that. So there we go, guys. If you like what you saw, got any other ideas, or if you've got any comments about the two different style lenses that I've got so far for the Ace Pro 2, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like, the share. Let's just try to answer some questions as they come up. I'm sure you have some. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find some more answers to questions that I have about this camera as I proceed with it. But as of right now, I'm pretty much using the Ace Pro 2 and the Ace Go Ultra 2, the little Pro one, the little square one, almost exclusively for vlogging. And it has been an absolute pleasure. So again, drop a comment below. Talk to you guys later.